Oh, he left. Oh, he left. He left. Hey, y'all. It's like, where have I been, right? But I'm at Zap Zone. I've had my little cousins and my godson at my house, my nephew, at my house for the past couple of days. And I brought them to Zap Zone so they can go-karting. So I just thought I'd update y'all. That was loud. I just thought I'd update y'all while I'm sitting here waiting for them to go. And I'll put some clips in of us like playing Mario Kart and like Phase 10 and Uno Flip so y'all can see what we did. And then I'll come back on Sunday and, you know, spend some time with y'all. Say hi, Gabby. Hi, Leah. Elijah, Mice. Can't see y'all. His little bitty head. Can't see him over there. Elijah, where you at? There you go. Go, Gabby! You gotta pass her. They have sped up the cars. Elijah is still in first place. Look at all of this room. Gabby trying to get Malia. Malia is holding on a second. Malia is trying to catch up to Elijah, but she is not going to catch him. Look at him go. Elijah is going so fast that, hold up, wait, let me focus. Elijah's going so fast that now he's behind them. Like, he's following them at this point. Look at this. And we have Elijah and Emmaus coming in at first place again. Who next? Who next? We got Malia coming in at second place. They fighting. They cheated. We just won. Oh, you might should go on mine. Oh, wait. Elijah got something. We just won. What's up, y'all? So, I just put on a new set of press-ons. Can y'all see that? Hold up. Wait. I'm using my reverse camera so I can see too. Okay, so I just put on a new set of press-ons. And I want to show y'all how I put on my press-ons. I use the LA Colors brand, this one. And this is how I do it. So I'm going to do this hand. First, I'm going to file them. Just so the glue sticks better. I have company. I got kids over right now. We're about to go to Zap Zone, so that's what y'all hear in the background. But this literally takes a couple of seconds. This is the glue that I use. It doesn't harm my nails. It files right off. My nails pop right off. Put a drop down. Take my nail. Boom. So I'm just gonna do the rest and show y'all the finished set, I guess. File right here so it like blends in. File where my cuticle is so it like blends in with my nail. This is what they look like. Now I'm just gonna wash them and I'm done.
went first?
I am.
Nobody.
I'm in first place. I'm in second place.
You was in 12th place.
No, I'm not.
You brought him right? Where are you?
I'm in sixth place.
That's me.
That's me.
I did good for me to be at 12 at the beginning of the game. 4th place.
You got left.
You still driving?
It's hard to drive with the wheel.
Oh, you can go on that.
What the?
We can tell you not getting your license no time soon.
I don't know what to do with you. If you're gonna stay, you have to come to the bathroom, but you don't want to get in the carrier. Oh, he's meerkatting. Well, I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but it's meerkatting. Are you gonna let me get closer? Okay, let's see. Hi, kitty. Oh, he left. Oh, he left. But I don't know if it's gonna come back. Let's see. You see it? Oh, there it is. Ew. Hi. Ew. How are you? Hi. Hi. Do you want to live with me? No? You're leaving? Yes? Got a chance to see like where they actually go when they walk into the woods. I don't know if y'all can see him. Oh, there he is. So let's see if he like leaves or oh shit, what happened? If he like leaves or comes back. Is he drinking that water? I'm going inside, little tiger. So I put a carrier right here, so if he like decides he wants to come back, he won't be cold. He literally just like walked in my house. I'm trying to take my slippers off because they're wet. I don't want to have wet slippers on my carpet. But every time I go in the house, he comes up my stairs. But I need him to actually like come in and up my stairs. I already gave it food. Like, okay, so I'm trying not to go back to the door, but it has food out there. Like, I gave it food, so that's the reason why it keeps coming back. I've been feeding this cat for close to a week. Like, it's literally, oh my gosh, I wish I could see. He's on the other side of the door. Trying not to scare him. Y'all see him? He's checking out the carrier. And honestly, you guys, I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, to be completely honest, but I've been trying to get this cat for almost a week. This is the first time that it's actually come to my house, like up for this long and in my house. And I got nervous. I didn't know what to do because my bathroom is so far from my front door, and that's a lot of trust. He's going in the carrier. Holy shit. Oh my goodness, he's going in the carrier. In there? Can y'all see him?